You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this word? Many get confused by it, but it's actually very easy, a very interesting word, however, to look at, because let's break down the pronunciation. You'll see that there are two slightly different pronunciations. The top phonetic spelling that you can see on your screen is British English. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. That's how it's said in the UK. Now the bottom spelling here is the American English pronunciation in the US. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry in American English, or strawberry, strawberry is how it is said in the UK. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.